Self-image is related to our relationships, to our creativity, to our striving, or to our daring, even to our business and health. If you have a bad self-image, your physical body will not be healthy. If you have a bad self-image or an ugly or disordered self-image, you will not have a good relationship with your family, children. If you have a bad self-image, you will destroy the impressions and inspirations that are coming from the higher sources. These are the very easy things to say about that very heavy thoughts. They are loaded with ideas and visions. Take them seriously. యాక్చువల్గా సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అనేసరికి మన ఇమేజ్ అని అనుకుంటాము. సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్కి రిలేషన్షిప్ కానీ క్రియేటివిటీ కానీ స్ట్రైవింగ్, డేరింగ్, బిజినెస్ అండ్ హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్ అనమాట. సో మనకు ఒకవేళ బ్యాడ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటే మన హెల్త్, if you have a bad self image, your physical body will not be healthy. సో ఒకవేళ మనకు బ్యాడ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటే మన ఫిజికల్ బాడీ ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండదని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ యువర్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ బ్యాడ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఆర్ అగ్లీ డిసార్డర్డ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్, యూ విల్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ రిలేషన్. అగ్లీ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉన్నా కానీ, డిసార్డర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉన్నా కానీ, మన ఫ్యామిలీ రిలేషన్స్ కానీ చిల్డ్రన్తో ఎవరితో బాగా ఉండదు. సో if you have a bad self-image and disorder impression and inspirations that are coming from higher sources, so మనకు ఒకవేళ బ్యాడ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటే మనకు హయ్యర్ థాట్స్, హయ్యర్ నుంచి వచ్చే థాట్స్ కానీ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్స్ కానీ అవి మన దగ్గరికి రావు. సో కీప్ a good self-image. And next, first of all, what is the self-image? Self-image is not your face. If you say self-image, immediately you think about your face, about your appearance. This is not self-image. సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అనగానే ఫస్ట్ మనం థింక్ చేసేది మన ఫేస్. బట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అంటే మన ఫేస్ కాదు, మన అపీరెన్స్ కాదు. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ నాట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్. రియల్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ పీపుల్ థింక్ అబౌట్ యూ. అసలైన సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఏంటంటే నీ గురించి నువ్వేమనుకుంటున్నావు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. నీ గురించి నీ ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటి. సో పీపుల్ నీ గురించి ఏమన్నా, వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ పీపుల్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ యూ. ప్రజలు నా గురించి ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్ డూ యూ థింక్ పీపుల్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ టు యూ ఆర్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ టు దెమ్. నువ్వు ఏదైతే థింక్ చేస్తున్నావో అదే నువ్వు ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నావా, లేదా వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా నీకు ప్రొజెక్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ ఫిజికల్ బాడీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ యువర్ ఫేస్. సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ ఇంటర్నల్లీ what you think about yourself, what your opinion is about you. In some cases, people don't have any opinion about themselves, so they don't have a self-image. సో నీ గురించి నీకు ఏమైనా ఒపీనియన్ ఉంటుందా ఉంటే అది ఒక సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్. బట్ చాలా మందికి ఎవరికి వాళ్ళ గురించి వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకోరు. సో దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ అన్ ఐడియా అబౌట్ వాట్ యు ఆర్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఇమేజ్, సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్. You think I'm a professor, I'm an artist, I'm a righteous person, I'm a creative person, I'm a thief, I'm this or that. సో ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు నీ మైండ్లో ఒక ఐడియా అనేది మొదలెడతావు, లైక్ నేను ఒక యాక్టర్ని, నేను ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్ని, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ subjective image that express itself through your emotions, actions and thoughts. There are some people who don't have opinions about themselves. They don't have an idea what they are physically, emotionally, mentally. They are confused. కొంతమంది ఉంటారు వాళ్ళకు ఎలాంటి ఐడియా ఉండదు, ఫిజికల్ కానీ, ఎమోషనల్ కానీ, మెంటల్గా కానీ. వాళ్ళు చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్గా ఉంటారు. సో దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ స్టెబిలిటీ. వాళ్ళకు నిలకడ అనే తత్వం కూడా ఉండదు. వాళ్ళు కన్ఫ్యూజ్గా ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ సోటరింగ్ అండ్ వెరీ హెవీ వర్డ్ ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ అండ్ మెడిటేట్ ఆన్ ఇట్. Stability means that you are standing on a stable and firm foundation. And if you don't have any self-image, no matter whatever, it is good or bad, you are totally confused. If you don't have any self-image, no matter whether it is good or bad, you are totally confused. So self-image అనేది లేకుంటే, so it is better to have a bad image about yourself than no image at all. So అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక బ్యాడ్ ఇమేజ్ ఒక బ్యాడ్ ఇమేజ్ అన్న ఉంటే నో ఇమేజ్ ఎట్ ఆల్, ఎలాంటి ఇమేజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఒక బ్యాడ్ ఇమేజ్ అన్న. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అండ్ సెల్ఫ్ ఒపీనియన్ వాట్ యు ఆర్, you don't have any identity, you are a lost identity. It is better to build an image about yourself and improve that image. సో ఇప్పటివరకు ఎలాంటి ఇమేజ్ లేకపోతే మీరు ఒక ఇమేజ్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని దానికి ఒక ఇమేజ్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి, సెల్ఫ్గా దాన్ని బిల్డ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. హౌ దిస్ ఈస్ image build? The changing situations in your life make you build an image about yourself. For example, you are successful this year. You have an image of success about you. You say, I'm a successful. Then next, when you are lose everything, you think that I'm a failure, nothing else. So, జనాలు ఏమనుకుంటారంటే ఈ ఇమేజ్ వాడు ఈ ఇయర్ వాడు సక్సెస్, నేను ఈ ఇయర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పర్సన్ అని చెప్పుకుంటాను. బట్ అదే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ రాగానే వాడు లాస్ అయిపోతాడు, ఫెయిల్యూర్ అవుతాడు. సో నేను ఈ ఇయర్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ పర్సన్ అనుకుంటాను. సో అసలు ఎప్పుడు ఒక ఫెయిల్యూర్ పర్సన్ ఉంటుంది, సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పర్సన్ అని దాన్ని అలానే ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ బి సక్సెస్ఫుల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ యూఆర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్, ఆర్ ఎవ్రీ 3 years యూఆర్ ఏ సక్సెస్ఫుల్, బట్ every other year you are falling and so on. The ratio decides what kind of self-image you have about yourself. For example, a lawyer who continuously cheats the people and continuously defends the who are the criminals eventually build a self-image in self-harm truth. When such image is built, he starts to more crooked because all his relations is based on the false values. ఒక లాయర్ అన్నాడు, కంటిన్యూస్గా జనాలను చీట్ చేసుకుంటూ వేరే వాళ్ళను డిఫైన్ చేస్తూ క్రిమినల్గా అతను ఒక సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాడు. సో ఆఖరికి అతను ఏంటంటే ఆ ఇమేజ్ క్రిమినల్గా ఫాల్స్ ఇమేజ్ అనేది, అంటే ఆ రిలేషన్షిప్ మీద ఫాల్స్ వాల్యూస్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయిపోతుంది. అతను టోటల్గా అందరినీ చీట్ చేసుకుంటూ గెలుచుకుంటూ పోతుంటే ఏ లాభం ఉండదు. ఇఫ్ యూ బేస్ యువర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఆన్ ఫాల్స్ వాల్యూస్, ఈవెన్ యూ విల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ what that you do not exist. If one does not have any have identity, he cannot have stability. Something fundamental is lost within him. These are people who are lost. Lost people cannot be directed, educated, reformed, transformed, because if something does not exist, you cannot do anything with it. Do not get into such position that you hate yourself and make yourself non-identity. Self-image is built on your experience, on your life, on your relationship. These are the materials that you build our self-image with. When you are having a successful relationship, eventually you come to believe that you are a beautiful person. It is so beautiful to have that self-image, because self-image is continuously controls your future life. Self-image అనేది our expressions built on our expressions on our life, on our relationship. Self-image అనేది ఏంటంటే మన రిలేషన్షిప్స్, తర్వాత మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, మన లైఫ్ మీద డిపెండ్ బిల్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. When you are having successful relationship, eventually you come to believe that you are a beautiful person. సో మనం ఒక సక్సెస్ఫుల్ రిలేషన్షిప్లో ఉన్నామంటే మనం ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ పర్సన్గా ఉంటాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ దట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్, బికాస్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ కంటిన్యూస్ కంట్రోల్స్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ లైఫ్. సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ అనేది మన ఫ్యూచర్ లైఫ్ ని కూడా కంట్రోల్స్ చేస్తుంటుంది. వన్స్ యూ బిల్డ్, ఇఫ్ యూ కెనాట్ అండ్ అగ్లీ ఎనీమోర్ బికాస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇమేజ్ సేస్ no, that is out of the standard, you are going to make yourself beautiful. For example, you are go to the mirror, put your makeup. This is because you want pretty self. That image is going to be medium between you and others. That image is going to do you understand how stability is? If you go like a witch to meeting, your hair is all messed up, you are pale, and so on. That controls your relationship. Success and failure come from your self-image. I like this line. Success and failure come from your self-image only. So this is beautiful line. Your dress and makeup make yourself beautiful, because the whole that you are and the whole that you think that you are. the whole that you feel you are, the whole that you are really or is your self-image, and it is the bridge between you and others. The second factor to build self-image, yeah, in us, this is the opinions of others. I found something new testament that is related to self-image. Jesus called his disciples and asked, what do you think people are thinking about me? He wanted to see his self-image perfect in others, and he know that he thinking of people will affect his self-image generally. Self-image is so important, and you are going to be very, very sensitive to what the media is building you. The media is a build. The media builds a self-image about somebody that you need to 10 years to clean. All friends, especially fathers and mothers and children, says, "Mommy, you look so beautiful." Is she really beautiful? Is the is she the ideal? It may be, or it may be so or not. But the important thing is that you are an instrumental building self-images in others through your criticism, through your words, letters, and prizes. You are building an image through your slander, gossip, or good words. You are building a self-images. Your criticism, your opinion, your conquers, and your slander build a self-images in others. That is why in all religions and philosophies in problem that you are slander and criticize people. Why is that? It is because you build something which you cannot erase for 50 years or 50 lives. You say your child, you know you are going to be in a journal or you are going to be a king, you are going to be this and that. Really, it is not your business to impose your desires upon your son. Let him be anything. He's he has the seed to be, but you help with ways and means conditions to make him whether he is to be. How stable it is that and day and night we build images by our voices. Even telepathically we lie in our bed, think something good or bad about somebody. But what are we doing? We are forming false mechanism in his psychic that is going to build his life in the future. If we say that if we say that the thoughts and emotions and opinions, criticism and prices of the other people instrumental in building self-image in with us, how much or we are going to be careful to create a right impressions of others? Do you see that if you are creating bad impressions and they are in the turn in thinking things about you, you fall under the control of their thinking and the image that fabricated about you, which is going to be rule your life. See how life is complicated. But if you are doing meditation and you are in the right polarization, you will be control the vibration, the frequencies, the opinions of others, and tell them get lost. I'm doing what I want to be. That is the spirit of democracy. Democracy thinking is protect your own free will, and your own following, your own beauty, and exactly to be a rose. If you have the seed of the rose, but what most people are doing is that they are cabbages and they want appear as a cucumbers, which is not their nature. Because seeds of cabbages are planted in their mind and in their psychic nature. They are starting as a cabbages and turning into cucumbers. And you are saying this is not your nature. What is happening? A rose will be a rose. We are going to keep integrated your essences. That is the basic of democratic thinking. Opinions of others affects our self-images. Even you can use a reflection of yourself and say what kind of impressions did I give them that they are thinking such nasty things about me or beautiful things about me. One day I was lecturing and three girls came and knee down. They started worshipping me. I said, "Go away, what you are doing?" They said, "Oh, you are a master and we are worshipping you." I said, "Don't impress such an image on so that I do not suddenly stand in front of people and say, I'm a master. Listen to me. This is that I provoke for you. Los Angeles is going to be to the ocean, and United States is going to separate in two sections, and the middle section is going to fall into the deep. What you are thinking about? Don't create false image for me and hypnotize me into acting through such false images that you are created in me. The best thing in the thing is what the Bible and the scripts of the world says. Don't criticize and don't give false opinions about others to what they are or what they are not. Let them prove themselves. Create the condition which good seeds grows. The third factor is that we are make our self-image due to our failures and our success. If you're really careful and you are anxious to enter to the path of perfection, you are going to make your life better and better and better as self-contained person. A person who has a good relationship with others, his responsibilities and duties as a leader or as a guide for others. You are going to improve your life in such a way that your failure turns into success and your success turns into self vindication. Every time you have a great success, every time you think that you are the top, think that you are nothing. Empty yourself of your ego and vanity so that you have some distance. Create a distance between the ideal and yourself. And under your ideal, you will see how much harder you must work to reach that ideal, which will be another stepping stone leading to another ideal. We create self image through our success and failures, but sometimes success really pulls up and our ego swells to such a degree that you cannot get it out of it. It becomes your person. Most of the falling people are those people who are successful. They are they will have a very great punishment in their life if they are caught there in their success. Every success is a question, reason that you must go beyond and make a real success. Understand it clearly. A man has a self-image that he is capable of killing 15 people. That is his self-image. He is identified with the criminal self-image to kill people and feel very happy and feel that he is fulfilling the will of God. You remember that there was a man in New York who killed 13 nurses. People asked her, why did you do that? He said, God told me. What was that God? It was his evil self-image. The fourth factor is that our self-image is built by obsessions and possessions. How can a evil self-image come to us, and to how do we identify with it? Still, the answer is the far away for physiologically and the science. But the ageless wisdom and esoteric science tell us that a man sometimes can be possessed. A possessing entity is an ugly soul and degenerated spirit that was living once upon a time on the earth as a destructive agent. The person dies, then his spirit finds a body really can carry him, and he enters into the man him and lives in and his self-image. He identifies with him, and then that nice man suddenly becomes witch, and that nice man becomes a criminal. That man becomes a butcher. Why did he that? Why did he become that? His self-image was put him in him by an entity that came and his physical, emotional, or mental to destroy him with the self-image that he is. This has been written about in a lecturer. For example, the three faces of AV and different stories. In the in the movies, they are giving such information now. It is not yet scientifically proven, but for us, it is proven fact because every day I can see that some people are changing their self-image by obsessions or possessions. Obsession is when projected self-image by grasping and holding the person and evenly making him feel that he is the self-image. That is obsession. Possession is the when the entity self-image entering into the man, making the man function is the man function as the entity wants to be function. These are very psychotic cases. I know that many psychologists know about this kind of, they are compiling these cases, but because this is very orthodox ground that are not able to do much. This is built. This is also a built self-image. There, are, there is a there is also a very interesting thing that, but if you really work heavily on us, we imitate people. Imitation builds and a false image or a mask. A mask is temporary. You put on a mask to appear as something else. Image during else lasts longer. For example, you go to a child and act childish. You play with a mask that you are a little child or you are Santa Claus. You are an angel or Santa. These are the masks that you can put on. These masks you put on continuously turn into self-image. It is very difficult to take them off and clean the mask. That is why I wrote my book, Not Allow Your Mask to Undo Your Self-Image. These are the some of methods which we build our self-image. There is also a very beautiful way to build a self-image which is ideally prototype in your mind. It comes from a very intentive and subjective feeling of what we want to be. What you want to be the evocation from your personality to the self-image and divinely is put within you. For example, it says God is created man his self-image with his self-image. That image is not inactive and in action. That image has been laying there of 18 million years and it has not came out. You must search for that image, for that ideal identity. For example, you say, I'm going to be some movie star. Okay, that is imitation. But you can say, I want to righteous person and inclusive person. I want to be harness person. I want to be a light in humanity. I want to be something that everybody benefits from my presence. These ideas coming from that archetype that God put in within you to be the rose that you are, to be the flower that you are, to be that genius that you already inside of you potentially. That is another self-image that you can identify with, or that you can slowly pull down and become that which you desire to be. These are some methods which the self-image is built. I believe that there are many other factors that create self-image, but this is enough for now. Thank you.